Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to format and erase your flash disk. First, plug in your USB flash disk and open the File Explorer. Look at the left navigation sidebar panel layout and click directly on the section labeled This PC. Locate your connected flash disk icon under the Devices and Drives section, right-click on it and select Format from the context menu list. Inside the Formatting Options panel that appears on your display screen, tap the File System drop-down menu. Select FAT32 or exFAT if you plan to use the drive across multiple devices like Macs and TVs, or choose NTFS if you only intend to use it on Windows systems. Look down at the Format Options section and make sure the Quick Format is checked. Click the Start button at the bottom of the interface layout and then tap OK on the warning prompt to permanently authorize the deletion process. The system framework will instantly execute the format process and restoring your flash disk to a completely blank, optimized state. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.